Question 20 is coordinate geometry in 4 parts. Line L passes through -2, 3 and -1, 6. Line P is perpendicular to L at -1, 6, and line Q is parallel to L, passing through 1, 2. Part A. The equation of L. Gradient is change in y over change in x. 6 minus 3 over -1 minus -2, which is 3 over 1. So 3. Using the point -1, 6, y minus 6 equals 3, x plus 1. That rearranges to y equals 3x plus 9. Part B. Line P is perpendicular to L. Perpendicular gradients multiply to -1, so P's gradient is -1/3. Through the point -1, 6. Y minus 6 equals -1/3, x plus 1. Tidying up gives x plus 3y equals 17. Part C. Line Q is parallel to L, so it has the same gradient, 3, and passes through 1, 2. That gives y equals 3x minus 1. For the intercepts, setting y to 0 gives x equals 1/3. Setting x to 0 gives y equals -1. Part D. Where do P and Q cross? We solve their equations together. P is x plus 3y equals 17. Q, rearranged, is y minus 3x equals -1. And multiplying that by 3 gives 3y minus 9x equals -3. Subtracting, 10x equals 20, so x is 2. Putting x equals 2 into Q, y is 5. So they meet at the point 2, 5. Well done, that's question 20 complete.